Hey, welcome to my channel. I was trying to open a JPEG file today and I ran into an error message. I'm going to show you quickly what it is and then go over 2 ways to fix it. This is the message that I encounter when I open the file. Please note the extension here is JPEG. So the first way to fix is open it in Paint and save it as a JPG file. It's not a JPEG file, but a JPG file. So Paint is going to save it as, by default, JPG. But if you notice the extension, it's JPEG. So I'm going to change it to JPG. By default, it saves it as JPG if you open Paint and use Save As. It creates a new file. I right click, open it with Photoshop, and the problem is resolved. And this is the original image that I'm still getting the problem with. So there you have it. That's one way to fix it. The other way to fix it is open it with Photos, I guess, and you right click, copy, basically copy the image and you paste in Photoshop. By default, if you click CTRL+N or new file in Photoshop, if you have copied the image, it will give you the option to use the same size and resolution of the image that you copied. So copy and paste, basically. That's all you have to do. That's the fix number 2. And you can save the file as whatever you want, wherever you want to save it to. Once you have that done, another thing that I saw online was that, some folks have said change the extension right here and it'll fix it. And I tried doing that. It didn't fix it for me. So this is the other file that has the same problem, same JPEG file. I couldn't open it. So I tried to rename it, see if that'll fix it. I renamed it to JPG. Tried opening it. It gives you that message. Do you want to change the extension? I say no, or I say yes, and then I try opening it again. Same problem. So there you have it, guys. Renaming the file doesn't fix it. So 2 ways to do it: copy and paste, or copy and save, or save as in Paint. 2 ways to do it. Thanks a lot, guys.